Click on the link below to get discount. The Apple 2025 MacBook Air 13-inch laptop with the M4 chip is a remarkable addition to the lineup of Apple's renowned laptops, designed to deliver unmatched performance, efficiency, and portability for both casual users and professionals alike. Upon unboxing the device, the first thing that strikes you is its sleek and lightweight design, a signature trait of the MacBook Air series. Weighing in at just under 3 pounds, it is exceptionally easy to carry, making it an ideal choice for students, travelers, and anyone constantly on the go. The build quality of the MacBook Air is exquisite. The aluminum chassis not only provides a premium feel but also ensures durability. Apple has consistently set high standards in terms of materials and craftsmanship, and this model is no exception. The laptop is available in a variety of elegant finishes, including space gray, silver, and gold, allowing users to choose a look that fits their personal style. As for the display, the MacBook Air features a stunning 13-inch Retina display that boasts a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels. The color reproduction is vivid, with deep blacks and bright whites, making it perfect for multimedia consumption, whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or browsing the web. The True Tone technology enhances the viewing experience further by adjusting the white balance to match the ambient light, which not only improves comfort but also makes the screen easier on the eyes during prolonged use. One of the standout features of this model is the M4 chip, which represents a significant leap in performance capabilities. The transition from Intel processors to Apple's custom silicon has proven to be a game-changer. The M4 chip integrates an 8-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, providing a substantial boost in processing power. Tasks that once required a dedicated desktop or an external GPU, such as video editing and 3D rendering, can be tackled with ease. The performance gains are particularly apparent when running resource-intensive applications or multitasking with several apps simultaneously. Battery life is another area where the MacBook Air shines. With up to 18 hours of use on a single charge, you can easily get through a full day of work, classes, or entertainment without worrying about finding an outlet. The energy efficiency of the M4 chip contributes to this impressive battery performance, allowing users to rely on their laptop for extended periods without frequent recharging. The keyboard and trackpad on the 2025 MacBook Air are also worth mentioning. The Magic Keyboard offers a comfortable typing experience with well-defined key travel and responsive feedback. Whether you're writing essays, coding, or just browsing the web, typing feels effortless. The large Force Touch trackpad is incredibly responsive, providing smooth navigation and gesture control that enhances productivity. Connectivity options include 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports and a headphone jack, which may seem limited compared to some Windows laptops that offer a wider range of ports. However, for most users, the Thunderbolt 4 ports provide ample versatility, supporting high-speed data transfer and connectivity to external displays. Apple's ecosystem also minimizes the inconvenience of port limitations, especially for those using other devices within the Apple family. In terms of storage, the 2025 MacBook Air starts at 256 GB, with options to upgrade to 512 GB or 1 TB. The SSD performance is lightning fast, ensuring quick boot times and swift application launches. While some users may find the base storage limited, the option to upgrade provides flexibility for power users who require more space for applications, files, and media. The software experience is equally compelling. Running macOS, the laptop benefits from seamless integration with other Apple devices, including iPhones and iPads. Features like Universal Clipboard, AirDrop, and Handoff streamline workflows and improve productivity. macOS also boasts a variety of applications optimized for the M4 chip, ensuring that users can fully leverage the power of their hardware. Overall, the Apple 2025 MacBook Air 13-inch laptop with the M4 chip is a stellar choice for anyone in need of a reliable, high-performance,